Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So just a quick video to let you know that if you are using YouTube Music, that once again Google has rolled out the latest quarterly recap playlist on YouTube Music, which is the first quarterly recap for this year, 2025, and that's from December to February 2025, where you can check out your favorite artists and songs for that time period. And there are 50 songs in the quarterly playlists. And I always found this interesting because there are a couple of surprises. And I think it's always nice to have this little recap. You can go back and listen to your top songs and artists for that last quarter. Now, the recaps feature quarterly and yearly. And the yearly recaps, like the 2024 recap, have 100 songs, where, as mentioned, quarterly have 50. And something just to take note of, because the first recap that rolled out was the yearly recap for 2021. And then we got all the quarterly recaps for 2022. And now we've only got, it starts now with the yearly recap for 2022, quarterlies for 23, recap 20 for the year of 2023, and then we get all our quarterlies for 2024, and now our first recap for 2025. And this is why I always say that you should save the recap as a playlist, because if it gets removed, then it's still saved as a playlist in your library. And I always do that so I can always go back, because I like to listen from time to time through the recaps. I find it quite interesting. But nonetheless, just putting it out there, the latest quarterly recap playlist on YouTube Music for 2025, December to February, is now available. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.